All right, you guys, back with another review. This is Lebron 17 red carpet. It's been a minute since I did some reviews, but I love this shoe and I had to get it. I love the 16 silhouette. However, I only copped one, and I like this silhouette, but the colorway just made me love it. Once I saw it on feet and him wearing it in a game, I knew I had to have it because I love the red. So let's check it out. First and foremost, we got the Lebron 17. Boom, boom. Text right on the top with that gold shimmer. Shit is fire. So let's get into it. I've already taken the liberty, taking these out, trying them on. They are comfortable as fuck. Amazing comfortable. Bam. The red on these is absolutely crazy. So if you're a fan of red, I highly recommend copping these. You know, with all the sneakers that are coming out nowadays, it's just ridiculous with how many different options you have. But one thing I will say about the LeBron line, you have always had quality. The quality on LeBrons has always been on point, and these are no exception. Hit you with a 360 real quick. Pow. Boom. All right. And again, already taken these out and tried them on. Pull these out. So let's get right into it. Right away, straight on, you're gonna notice that big old crazy LeBron logo head, that big old lion head. Look at that. Nicely stitched, very clean, not sloppy at all. What you expect from the LeBron line with the branding here. This right here is made of nubuck. It's overlaid on top of the tongue, which is satin, and that shit is fire, bro. All right. So if we gonna make our way around the side here, on the top, this is that, it's not quite fly knit, it's some composite knit or some shit, something like that. But anyway, real comfortable and breathable. And then once you make your way around here, this is shit everyone's talking shit about, is these little pods. First it starts off as stitching, and as it makes its way back around, you have some plastic overlay over it, and then as it gets to the back, then the whole thing becomes plastic overlay. But what's so dope is, I don't know if you can see this in the detail, all this stitching under this plastic ends up being like super swirly, and that shit ends up looking like almost like tie-dye, honestly, like some tie-dye like colors. And then obviously as it goes back around, it will regress back into the stitching slowly. But it's dope. Everyone all talking about, oh, it's a herpes 17s, wooty whoop. Come on, bro. Like, what are you, fucking 12 and shit? Like, come on. Anyway, so that's kind of the upper right there. And then if we're gonna start talking about like the toe right here, you got that traditional Nike Air. Look, pow. Nike Air right there. That's a dope. I like that touch, old school touch kind of. And then that's gonna wrap around. You're gonna have that crisscross pattern on the sole, kind of this quad pattern right here, that quad grip with the LeBron James signature right there. As far as the midsole is concerned, so from the upper toe box right here, you're gonna have that traditional foam, and I've already tried these on, so already got some creases, honestly, which I'm not happy about. But you know, this is a ball and shoe, so you know that's, you know, was gonna end up happening anyway. But as it wraps around, you turn into this rubber molding here, and you could see it kind of comes up and down on peaks. Now to me, you know, I could be wrong, but to me that kind of falls in line with like the King's Crown. You know what I'm saying? If you can visualize it. And then if you kind of come up here, you see that thing kind of continues. So it's like King's Crown here, and then look at this. Boom. King's Crown. So that's beautiful right there. I really love the design. Again, the LeBrons are always paying attention to detail, all the details and just little things right here, you have the continuation. King's crown, we get it, King James. This is the best part of the shoe right here. Beyond that stitching right there is this dope ass metallic swoosh. And when the light hits it, that motherfucker pops. Boom. 360 air unit, obviously. This is actually the Air Max combined with Zoom. So you can see the ZOOM right there. Boom. And this little Air Max pod. And then this one goes all the way around. So this air unit is actually combined with the Zoom sole. And I'm not sure if that's ever happened before. It may have. But I'm not aware of it. Real quick, this awesome tooling up here on the pull tab for this right here. And then if you want to go in here, you could see that LG17. It's kind of like PG-13. Looks like a movie rating or something. That's dope, bro. Like, that's some next level shit, because you got to think the entire premise of this shoe is the red carpet. Like, we're rolling out the red carpet, like movie premiere type shit. And then they're gonna put this LJ17 in here like it's a movie, following along those lines. Again, you know, we look at a shoe's a shoe until we look at the details of it. And again, the details on the Lebrons are never lacking. And the fact that they connect the red carpet theme with this movie rating on the inside, you know, that's just next level shit. That's just dope, bro. Again, back here with the satin, look. Back here with the satin, and then we got that Lebron tooling on there. Shit's hard, bro. So, showed you this branding right here, but if I slide back to these ones right here, there's some different branding. That right there would be the 2317 as number 23, obviously the 17. So that's dope, man. Like, we got two different themes of branding as one. They really paid attention to all the detail here. I mean, look at the Nike Air. Great material. Again, I tried these on once. They are phenomenal. And last but not least, these little King James logo tags right here. Boom. And then we got them right here. Boom. So I was actually thinking when I first looked at these, like, damn, they ain't going to put his actual logo on here, because that's his main logo, but they did, and they put it on there subtly, so that's dope. All right, so let's try to get these on feet for you.